In first part, we studied about crop production and various processes involved in it. We studied about selection of crop, it should be seasonal and according to climatic conditions, land preparation, selection of seed, seed quality, and sowing of seeds. Now the next process is irrigation. Irrigation means watering of crops because water has to be given to the crops in a proper quantity. If you give extra water, the crop may get rotten. So a proper supply of water has to be done. For supply of water, we need a water source, and there are different methods for irrigation, such as flood irrigation, drip irrigation, or using sprinklers. After the irrigation is done, the soil has to be fertilized. Fertilizing means adding fertilizers and manure to soil to make it fertile. Manure is composed of animals' dung, whereas fertilizers are composed of chemical substances such as NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It is also termed as urea, which are used in increasing the fertility of the soil. After this, when the crop is ripened, the harvesting is done. Harvesting means cutting off ripened crops. After harvesting the crops, the food grains are removed from the chaff and stored safely to avoid in contact with moisture and to keep safe from pests such as rodents. So in this chapter we came to know about crop production and various processes so involved in it. Now here are a few questions. You might answer them. The first question is, what is agriculture? So the answer is very simple. Growing of crops is known as agriculture. Write the processes involved in the production of crops. So we read about various processes. You can write them. The first one, selection of crops. Second, land preparation. Third, selection of seed. Fourth, seed quality. Fifth, irrigation. Sixth, fertilizing. And the seventh one, harvesting. And after that is storage of food grains also. What are manures? Manures are the fertilizers. They are similar to fertilizers, but manures are composed of animals' dung, such as cows and buffaloes, and many other. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers are chemical substances such as NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Why the storage of food grains is important? This answer you can answer it, I guess. Why the storage of food grains is important? Simple, to protect them from rodents and other pests, and also to keep it away from getting in contact with moisture. Why is it important to grow crops? Because food is the source of energy. All consumers feed on autotrophs, and autotrophs are only plants, because plants are the only source of food.